Okay guys, we have part 2 of a Harbor Freight unboxing. Have a bunch more of these 18-inch magnetic holders. These are stuck together and they are really tight. We have a Pittsburgh 7-piece electrician screwdriver set. We have a Pittsburgh 7-piece hollow shaft nut driver set SAE. We have a Pittsburgh 7-piece pick and hook set. We have a Pittsburgh 4-in-1 screwdriver. We have a 200-foot roll of twine from One Shop Gardens. We have a Pittsburgh 14-inch plumber's wrench. Pittsburgh 12-inch bolt cutters. Storehouse 35-foot black hook and loop cable strap, which is actually a roll of Velcro. Have another Pittsburgh 25-foot tape measure. Have a Pittsburgh 22-piece screwdriver set. And we got a Pittsburgh forged 12-inch adjustable wrench. And that is everything that has come in so far. There is a bunch of stuff that was back ordered, but this is the full second part of the stuff that came in so far. Thank you for watching.